Webflow versus Lovable. Which one should you choose? In today's digital world, having a strong online presence is essential. Whether you are launching a business, showcasing your portfolio, or building a web application, but with so many tools available, how do you choose the right one? Two platforms stand out: Webflow, a powerful visual web design tool, and Lovable, an AI-driven app builder. Both offer unique advantages, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down, understanding the core differences. First, let's look at their core philosophies. Webflow is a visual web design platform that gives you pixel-perfect control over every element, like a blank canvas where you can build a responsive website without coding. It's perfect for designers and developers who want full creative freedom. On the other hand, Lovable is an AI-powered no-code platform that turns natural language prompts into fully functional web apps. Just describe what you need, and Lovable generates the front-end, back-end, and database. Either entrepreneurs and non-coders who need speed and simplicity. Design flexibility versus speed. If design control is your priority, Webflow shines. It lets you customize layouts, animations, and interactions with precision just like professional design tools. You can tweak CSS, HTML, and even add custom code for advanced features. Meanwhile, Lovable focus on speed. Its AI generates app or simple prompts like build a CRM with user authentication, while you get less granular control. Lovable's templates and supervised integrations make backend setup effortless. Content and e-commerce capabilities. For content-heavy sites, Webflow's built-in CMS is a game changer. You can create dynamic content types, blogs, portfolios, e-commerce stores, and manage them visually. Plus, Webflow's e-commerce tools offer complete design freedom for online stores. Lovable, however, relies on supervised for data storage. It's great for structured apps like dashboards or CRM, but lacks Webflow's visual CMS for marketers. SEO and hosting. Webflow excels in SEO with automatic sitemaps, metadata controls, and mobile optimization, key for ranking on Google. Its enterprise-grade hosting includes SSL, CDN, and backups. Lovable simplifies deployment with one-click publishing, but SEO depends on how you structure points. For branding, both support custom domains, but Webflow offers deeper SEO tools, collaboration, and extensibility. For teams, Webflow offers real-time coding and style guides, perfect for agencies. Lovable integrates with GitHub, letting developers tweak generated code, ideal for hybrid no-code, pro-code workflows. Both support third-party tools, but Webflow's ecosystem is more mature. Who should use which platform? Choose Webflow if you are looking for full design control to create stunning custom websites. It's ideal for those who need a powerful CMS or e-commerce platform, along with advanced SEO tools and scalable hosting. On the other hand, it's Lovable if you want to instantly create apps using AI. It's perfect for fast prototyping, especially for startups or internal tools, and offers a no-code backend setup powered by Superbase. Ultimately, Webflow is the go-to for visually stunning, highly customized websites, while Lovable democratizes app development with AI speed. Your choice depends on design needs, technical skills, and project goals. Try both. Webflow for design mystery, Lovable for rapid innovation. Ready to build? Pick your tool and start creating today.